Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 106 Yacht Club Drive with 144 feet of waterfront with direct access to Canandaigua Lake.
This is an amazing townhouse with a dock for your boat. So let's take a tour.
This is open waterfront living with a great room, featuring a vaulted ceiling living area with a gas fireplace and a wall of windows with deck access. Open to an eat-in kitchen with wood cabinetry, a breakfast bar, and adjacent laundry. And a dining area with a bay window, all with panoramic water views.
This home also features 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and an office, with room for potential guests, including this luxurious first floor master suite, with a vaulted ceiling, a walk-in closet, and those stunning water views.
Enjoy entertaining on this wraparound deck with an awning and panoramic waterfront views.
This rear end-unit townhome has beautiful landscaping, with access to your own private boat dock and 144 feet of waterfront, plus a community clubhouse with a pool, all situated on beautiful Canandaigua Lake. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 106 Yacht Club Drive in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!